Come test drive the 2014 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, fog lights. Inside you'll find sync, satellite communications, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, one overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.